My pappy left me a Frankfort County Hill Farm. 40 acres, a little cabin and a barn. Worked too hard to find the hills on this hill farm. But I look all over and still can't find the farm. So we hitched up a mile view to a bolt-on plow, and I plowed through the ground 12 inches deep. I planted corn, beans, backer, and taters, and the rains came down and washed my whole farm into the creek. But I've got land in the bluegrass, I got land in Indiana, I got land all along the Mississippi River down to Louisiana. If I'd been a little bit smarter, things would have never turned out this way. But I plowed too deep, from hill too steep, and whole dirt farm washed away. Down there somewhere in Missouri, and the corn patch about Memphis, Tennessee. My taters down in Natchez, Mississippi. You know they found my beans in New Orleans. So I wonder who's been eating all my roasting ears, and I wonder who's been eating all of my whitehead runner beans. Sitting here in Frankfort County eating food stamps, what's gonna come of me. But I got land in the bluegrass, I got land in Indiana, I got land all along the Mississippi River down to Louisiana. If I'd been a little bit smarter, things would have never turned out this way. But